first or second conditional. Did you know that we have 4 different conditionals? We don't just have 1, not 2. We have 4 different conditionals. I just showed some of you guys a video about the 0 and first conditional. So now it's time to compare the first and the second conditional. So let's get right to it. Here's my first conditional. In the first conditional, I will be talking about a possible future. So think about your future. What's possible in the future? Well, if I study hard, I'll pass the test. I'll pass my test. That's something very possible in my future. Also, if I have free time, yeah, I'll go for a walk. That's also very possible in my future. And to talk about my possible future, I use if plus present simple, and then I use will plus infinitive. Will plus infinitive. Both of these examples you can see. After if, present simple. After will, I use that naked verb, that infinitive, with no change, no ing and no ed. Let's move on to the second conditional. So the second conditional is one of my favorites because it's about an imagined future. Do you have a good imagination? If you do, you're going to love the second conditional. For example, if I won the lottery, I'd buy, what would you buy? I'd buy, boom, right? Or if I were a superhero, I'd fly to work every morning. Every morning I'd fly to work. That would be great. Wouldn't it be great? Can you hear the word I'm using whenever I'm using my imagination? I'm using the word would. I'm using the word would for this situation. I use if, I use would, and be careful, after if I'm imagining, if I don't think it's going to be true, I use past simple. So for this one, if plus past simple, would plus infinitive. Okay? If I won, I would buy. If I were, I would fly. We use the past simple with would because we don't think these things are going to happen. If I use the word will, I think it's possible. If I use the word would in this grammar pattern, I think this is unlikely or impossible. Will you win the lottery? Nah, I don't know. It's very difficult to win the lottery. Or will I? Will I be a superhero? I don't think so. So because I don't think it's possible, I change from present to past, and I change from will to would. Okay, let's compare, make sure we understand. And to compare, we'll go for a walk, just like last time. If I have free time tonight, I'll go for a walk. If I had some free time tonight, I would go for a walk. Take a second, look, see how the grammar changes. The first example, if I have, that's my present simple. I'll go, will plus infinitive. When I change, if I had some free time, have changed to had, past simple, and then would go, I'd go, I would go, past, or not past, the would plus infinitive, okay? So present will, past would. And it does, it changes the meaning. If I'm using the will, if I have some free time tonight, I will go for a walk. This future is possible. It might happen. I might go for a walk. There's a decent chance that I'm going for a walk tonight, right? That's our first conditional. And then my second, if I had some free time, if I hear the past simple, if I see would, I'd, then I know, walking tonight, I am so busy. I'm so busy tonight. It's very unlikely that I'll go for a walk. I don't think it's going to happen. I am very, very busy. Sorry, guys. I'm not going for a walk. If I had time, I would, but I'm not going for a walk. Oh, what would I do? If I had a lot of time, I'd play more video games, but I don't have enough time, baby. I don't have enough time. So now, as always, you guys, I really want to hear you use this grammar. I understand the grammar pretty well, but I want to make sure you understand. If this video was confusing, let me know. If this video was helpful, also let me know. Right? Give us a like, a comment. You can also share your sentences. I would love to read your sentences. Try to use the first conditional with will or the second conditional with would in a sentence in the comments. I'd be happy to check for you. I'm happy to reply. And for our students, right? Our students here at ULC and around the world, I can't wait to I can't wait to teach you one more conditionals video. We're almost there, guys. We've almost covered all 4 conditionals. But until then, have a great week. I'll catch you in the next one.